Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, as you saw from our title, we will be unbagging our ice cream beauty bag for the month of March. The subscription price is $12.50 per month. We get 3 to 5 full-size products, and in addition to that, it is a woman-owned company, and we actually get a description card in it. How about that? We thought that was done and over with, but it's actually still happening. So I will leave all the information down below if you decide you'd like to try it out for yourself. Plus, there is a code down there so you can get a discount on your first bag. So this is what the description card looks like in this one. And it says Ice Cream Beauty Bag for March. Now we do have 3 items in here. The very first one that we have is by Beauty Creations. And, well, actually this is a pretty good Beauty Creations bag, okay? So the first one that we have is this one right here. Okay, I know it's taken a little bit to kind of see because of this beautiful iridescent packaging, but this one is the Unicorn Dream Highlighter Palette. Now this one is, okay, quite interesting to say the least, but there are 3 different highlighters in here. We have gotten quite a few highlighters in the last month or 2, but nonetheless, this is what, well, I've already shown you what the outer packaging looks like. This is what the inner packaging looks like. And then furthermore, when we open it up all the way, these are the 3 highlighters. Okay, what do you think of that? Okay, now this one, the manufacturer suggested retail price for it is $16. Not bad, not bad. Now, it doesn't necessarily tell me the size of each. Oh, yes, it does. It says this one is a 5.5 gram size, and each of the pans are 0.19 ounces each. Okay, so can we just appreciate that? I mean, everything about this packaging is gorgeous, the way it is really set up. How about that? All right, so that one is item number 1. Item number 2 is by Medusa Makeup, and it's this one right here, and this one is the Sepia Bronzing Glow Stick. Now, according to this is a cruelty-free and vegan product. And let's see what size it is. Well, that's going to be a good question. Because, oh, here we go. It says it is a 0.3 ounce size. Now, sepia is actually the shade. Now, I do not see a shelf life on this one. So I kind of don't want to open it yet. Sorry, y'all. I've gotten 4 bronzers in the last 3 boxes. Okay, so for all I know, this may go into the giveaway. Y'all know we got a giveaway that's coming up. I'm having a little bit of a challenge with my channel. That's the only reason it has not gone up yet. But that one is we've reached over 10,000 subscribers. And so we have a big giveaway that's coming up. For those of you who do not know, I've said if you'd like, leave me a message down below and tell me your thoughts. Do we want just one large giveaway with everything in it, or do we want to break it up into 2 or 3? I'm here for your feedback. But nonetheless, back to this, that PSA is over. So this one, the manufacturer suggested retail price for it is $12. Okay, we've already paid for the bag 2.5 times already. Okay, so nonetheless, that's where we stand. Then the last item that we have is also by Beauty Creations, and it is this beauty right here. This is the Tiana palette. Okay, and this one is a cruelty-free. Well, let's just see. Yes, it is a cruelty-free palette, and it has a 24-month shelf life, y'all. Now, let me tell you, this outer packaging is really gorgeous, and I've said it a couple times on this channel, but Beauty Creations has come a long, long way. Oh, I can remember back in the day, but we don't want to go backwards. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this says it's a 30-pan palette. A 30-pan palette, y'all. Let me see for sure. It's a 35-pan palette. And these shades are gorgeous. Now, it does not come with a mirror on it, but I don't think you're really going to care when you see that. Look at those shades. It has some mattes in it, some duochrome, some pressed pigments. Oh my, and some shimmers. Boy, this thing is gorgeous. Okay, now I want to tell you, I do not want to open the... Okay, let me just back up for a second. Y'all know we swatch at the end, right? You know that's when we swatch. So this one is the last item, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this palette is $25. So it's swatching time, okay? Now, I do not want to swatch this one because I think I'm going to add this one to the giveaway as well, because y'all saw we got a full palette of highlighters last month. Then we got a face palette that had highlighters and blushes in it. So I think I'm pretty good on the highlighters, okay? Even for my kit, it's okay. So let's just go in and swatch this one. So we'll swatch a matte, a shimmer. Oh my God, this black blue is gorgeous. This is a hard choice. I think I'm going to swatch one of each. So this one is considered a shimmery matte. And then we'll just do a regular matte. We'll do a pressed powder. We'll do a pressed pigment. Oh boy. And we'll do a regular shimmer. Whew. Now, I do want to let you know that these do not have names on them. Oh my. Very nice. Very, very nice, to say the least. It's still, to me, just a little chalky, but it could be because I didn't put a primer on underneath it, but this pressed pigment, this glitter is doing its thing, as well as this shimmer. How about this? What do you think? I'm here for it. I am so here for it. Okay, that's it. That's all we had to do. See, this one was short, sweet, and to the point. How about that? So, what are your thoughts? That's what I would like to know. What your thoughts are with regards to this month's Ice Cream Beauty Bag. because for me, I am so totally here for it right now. I really am, because I liked everything that we received. All right, so please let me know what your thoughts are. If you've already received your bag, okay. If you've used it, okay, tag me. I would love to see what the looks are like. But nonetheless, I would just like to say I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged our ice cream beauty bag for the month of March. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included. Yes, all 3 products. Okay, now make sure you like, give me a thumbs up, comment, and by comment, I mean let me know your thoughts on what we received in here today. How do you feel about a $12.50 bag that offers products like these? Okay? And if you've gotten it already, if you've used them, if I don't believe they had any choice items this month, but nonetheless, then make sure you subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And it's really easy on the pocket because it's free. Make sure you share this video with someone else. Show them the ice cream beauty bag. You know, let them know what they could get for $12.50. Disclaimer. You do pay for shipping with this one, but I believe it's somewhere between $3.99 and $4.99. So you're still paying less than $17 for this beautiful bagged items. You know, you're paying less than, let's put it this way, you're paying less than $20 for the 3 products that we received here today, all full size. So share it with somebody who you think might be able to appreciate that. But most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.